like this. You had to sign it to say don't open.
Don't open it
Until
the 13th.
Which is, when's the 13th? Today.
So I know. Bing.
It's just that we're just recognising your birthday. Oh dear. What's this? William, dear Dad. From William. Happy birthday. Did you write that?
And this is a kiss.
Yeah. Did you type this in the computer? Or did you colour this in? Did you colour this in? Wow, that's some fancy pens, aren't they? Nana's got all sorts of fancy pens, doesn't she? So, am I getting a guy to come and mow the lawn?
Yeah, William can.
Are you going to mow the lawn? Is this you mowing the lawn? What is it?
That's Daddy mowing the lawn.
Oh. Daddy doesn't have a lawnmower.
But you're using it from Non's and Granddad's house.
Oh, it's at Nana's and Granddad's house. Is that Granddad's mower?
Yeah, and you're using it.
Oh, okay. Is that what happens? And what's this thing? Did you put that there? What is that? You just like that? Yeah.
A circle. It's a circle.
Yeah, with a line through it.
Yeah.
Very good.